Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to change user role in Time Doctor. The first thing I want you to do is log in to your dashboard, okay, as at least an owner or an admin. And then you come here, the top menu, you click on settings, and then you click on users, okay? Now right here under manage users, we can go ahead and scroll down. You'll see all your users right here in your dashboard. And to change their user role, so here you see level, right? So this person, Straw Hat, is a regular user. I'll just click on this drop down and we can choose and make them either an admin or a manager. They'll have more permissions. Let's make them a manager right there. And you'll see right here, access level updated for one user. And now they are an admin, right? So their user role has been updated. And that is how to change user role in Time Doctor.